Hello students, and welcome back to Food and Nutrition. Today we'll be talking about nutrient food sources and their deficiencies. So the first one we'll be discussing is carbohydrates. So here are some food sources. You can find carbohydrates in pasta, you can find it in oatmeal, you can also find it in rice, and you can also find it in bread. The nutrient deficiency that is associated with this. When we don't have too much or too little of a nutrient, we receive a nutrient deficiency. And a nutrient deficiency associated with this is called diabetes. Say it with me, diabetes, okay? So this occurs when there's too much glucose in our bodies. Now, as we know, when we eat carbohydrates, we receive glucose. All right? So why do we have so much glucose in our bodies? So, insulin, this is a hormone that is made in the pancreas, and this helps us to take the glucose from our bodies into our cells after we finish eating it, right? So with that being said, when our bodies cannot produce insulin, it can't take the glucose and put it into our cells. So this produces much more glucose than we actually need, and then this causes diabetes. The next one we have is protein. So here are some food sources. We have some chicken. I have a beautiful picture of some nice grouper fingers, also known as fish. And we also have nuts, and these are plant-based proteins. So we have nuts like almond, cashews, walnuts, all of those wonderful nuts. So who is the guy who sells peanuts on the side of the road? Can you tell me? Does this picture help you? The deficiency disease that you get when you don't have enough of protein is called kwashiorkor. Say it with me, kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor. So this is common among babies and children, and this can cause bloating in the stomach. So as you can see in the image, there's a little boy, and as you can see, his belly looks really big, and this occurs when we don't have enough of protein. So this is how it would look. And also you can see that you may get thin and brittle hair. There's also a term used called moon face, and like it says, your belly or your stomach looks really big. Another one that we have is fats, and these are the food sources. So we can have butter, or we can also have margarine, and then we also have coconut oil, and then we also have avocado oil, but this is not limited to this. You also have olive oil as well. So the deficiency diseases, you can get obesity, or you can get hypertension. Now, obesity is when you eat a lot of foods and you become extremely overweight, okay? And then the second one is hypertension, and I know you've heard of this before, maybe in a different term. When persons say high blood pressure, that's what this means. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!